Hi everyone, today we want to learn NDVI analysis using the Sentinel tool over the Po Valley, Italy areas. NDVI or Normalized Different Vegetation Index is widely used vegetation index that quantifies the density and health of green vegetation, and it's calculated using the following formula, like the NDVI equal near infrared sub subtract red divided by near infrared plus red. And the near infrared reflects strongly from a healthy vegetation, Sentinel 2.8, and the red is absorbed by chlorophyll during the photosynthesis, Sentinel 2.4. And NDVI values range 0.6 to 1 dense healthy vegetation, 0.2 to 0.5 sparse vegetation or crops, and 0 or negative bare soil, water, and build-up areas. Application of NDVI crop monitoring, assess crop growth stage and health, drought detection, detect the water stress and reduce the greenest land cover classification, separate vegetation from non-vegetated areas, environment monitoring, track seasonal change and deforestation. For implementation, we need to define the case studies area. I selected the Po Valley, Italy area, and if you know how can create a bounding box, you can watch the video related to the bounding box in our channels. And after this, we need to define the time. I selected the couple of months of 2024, and I used the Sentinel 2 dataset, the harmonized version. You can find the description of a dataset from Earth Engine Data Catalog available from 2017 until 2025 with the 5-day revisit time. You can find the more descriptions and available bonds with wavelengths and pixel size. Yeah, and filter the bonds based on area of interest with the start date, end date, and filter based on a cloud pixel percentage. And after this, we need to select the first images for the class. Select the first cloud free image. We write it as s2 dot first dot clip area of interest and calculate the NDVI with this formula. NDVI equal first image dot normalized difference B8 B2, and we rename it to the NDVI, and we need to visualization of this. We define the variable after the define a variable of NDVI, define the visualization of NDVI with the mean 0 and max 1, and with the palettes blue, orange, yellow, green, and dark green, and add layer of NDVI to the map. And the first image, I want to add the two color to compare the NDVI and two color, and I define it minimum 0 to maximum 2000. If I run this code, you can see for my area of interest, we have a good NDVI color for the agriculture areas, and we can compare. For example, bare soil areas has a orange colors, and cultivated areas has a green color, and the river has a blue color. You can use this code for any area of interest, and you can change the times and use for time series. And this code can be used to assess the vegetation condition of agriculture area like the poly valley, and especially valuable for precision farming, crop health monitoring, land use change analysis. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like our videos.